Jalen, what are you doing? Get out of there. Jalen. Look at you. Jalen, why you turn your back on me? Jalen. Hi, Papa. Jalen. Jalen. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Look at them crawl. Say hi.
The ice cream truck bed out here is expensive.
Yep, the highest is
JJ. JJ.
Out here are expensive.
What you doing?
It's like $2 for a freaking popsicle. I'm cool. Just my allergies a heck of bother me.
Look, he about to start. He trying to stand up.
City trees.
Come on. Give me your hand. Stop it.
Jason called me today, but I think I pressed 5 too soon and it hung up. My phone makes a noise when the call drops, but it didn't.
What are you doing? Come back.
No, you gotta press it when the lady says it. I said it before she said it, because I already know you gotta press. And I just pressed it before she even said it.
You's a busybody. Get your mouth off of that.
Really?
Stop it. JJ. Jalen. 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 Why you not doing that then?
Yeah, like right when you said his name, I pressed 5 and then it just clicked off.
Who was that?
So, are you gonna go to dinner with us on Monday or what?
Go JJ, go. Go JJ, go JJ, go. Go, 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 go. Go JJ, go JJ, go.
Me, Grandma, and Renee.
Come on, you being lazy.
Sometime after 5. It's hecka good. It's like
Your shorts look like pants.
It's probably like $10 or at the most like 11, but it's worth it. Every bit of it. It's like hecka good. They cook the food in front of your face, like the meats and the steaks and stuff. They cook it right.